Good morning. I was outside taking pictures and got a video of our cards. First, the geese went by in the water already. The inner knowing, very much about the sacred path. And then I took some more sunrise and had a hummingbird fly right in front of my face. So I will add that video to this one. So good morning, happy sunrise, or whatever is rising is morning, afternoon, evening. It's a new beginning. So we're going to breathe. Just breathe into your heart with a thank you that Mother Earth provides so much beauty when we slow down enough to look. And then breathe in your head and come into harmony. And I share this beautiful lake view that I'll have for a while longer with gratitude.